Okay there, Ram family or Ram Nation. Just got this package in about 1 minute ago. The UPS man came. I'm telling you, with all this virus, Corvid, Corona stuff going on, it's always nice to get something in the mail and to be home, receive it. Sorry, it's kind of tough trying to get this open with just one hand. I got all this styrofoam popcorn. Sorry about that, guy. Just got my new front speakers. I think they're vocals or something like that. So hopefully maybe this weekend, tomorrow, I'll be able to get these things installed. Keep you guys updated on how the install will go in the truck. All I have to wait now is just for the adapter plate so I can install this, because these two are just like the rear. They're 6.5, but they go on real easy, especially when you have the adapter plug. So I think I'll go out to Best Buys and get the adapter plug, so that way tomorrow when my plates come in, hopefully I'll be able to do the install then. So I'll keep you guys updated when I get ready to put this all in. So see you later. Stay safe. Have a nice day.